The Road Rehabilitation and Improving Connectivity of Road Infrastructure project has been launched. Financed by the Inter-American Development Bank, the project aims to improve the quality of Barbados' roads and includes upgrading drainage, constructing sidewalks, and implementing safety features. It will focus on the Charles Duncan O'Neill Highway from West Road to the Frank Walcott Roundabout and from the Norman A. Niles Roundabout to Clyde Walcott Roundabout westbound lane. Minister of Transport, Works and Maintenance, Dr. William Duguid, addressed the launch, which was also attended by the Minister in the Ministry of Foreign Trade, Sandra Husbands, Minister in the Ministry of Transport, Works and Maintenance, Peter Phillips, and Chief of Operations at the Inter-American Development Bank, Francisco Ura, and Permanent Secretary in the Ministry of Transport, Works and Maintenance, Mark Cummings.